Have you ever walked outside and something maybe just didn't feel right? Or walked outside and maybe something felt awesome? Perhaps it was the wind. Maybe there's more to wind than meets the eye. Are the winds of fortune or destruction blowing in on you? Let's check out the book of Enoch. Enoch talks about 12 gates or portals in which wind and other things come through. 3 on each of the 4 cardinal points, the 4 directions, north, south, east, and west, also controlled by the 4 angels. I'm going to give you the rundown here in just a second, but there's a pattern. Each one in the very middle is good, and the other 2 with each are bad. We're going to talk about these mysterious 12 portals and gates in the heavens and where they end up leading to. We're also going to talk about the mysterious number 13. Remember, gates 1 and 3 are always bad. The one in the middle is good. We start off in the east, then we move into the south, then we move to the north, and then we move into the west. Also, if you notice, between gates 6 and 7, there's a dramatic direction switch from south to north. Ecclesiastes 1:3. We'll get back to that later. Also, you'll notice that gates 6 and 7 are exactly the same. Also, the 12 to 1 gate Passover, when it starts over, you'll see that 12 and 1 are also the same when the respawning of the cycle begins. You'll notice that there's good wind and bad wind. You'd rather have that fruitfulness instead of the wind of destruction. Also, you notice there's good rain and bad rain, as well as bad dew, as well as the good dew. So when we start off, I'll tell you what each gate covers. The first gate in the southeast, devastation, drought, heat, and destruction. The one in the east was what is right, rain, fruitfulness, prosperity, and dew. That's the one you want. Also, now the third gate, cold and drought. Moving on into the fourth gate in the south, you have hot wind. Then the fifth gate, pleasant fragrances, dew, rain, prosperity, and life. The sixth gate, dew, rain, locusts, and devastation. Moving all the way across to the north now from the south to gate 7, you have dew, rain, locusts, and devastation. Gate 8 in the north, rain, dew, life, and prosperity. Gate 9, mist, hoarfrost, snow, rain, dew, and locusts. Gate 10, dew, rain, hoarfrost, cold, snow, and frost. Moving into the gate in the west, dew, rain, prosperity, and blessing. And then moving to final gate 12, drought, devastation, burning, and destruction. Also, I'm wondering if the sun going from portal 12 to 1 in the south could possibly explain sun anomalies in Antarctica. Also, you'll see between gates 12 and 1 before the respawning, you'll find burning in 12 and heat in 1 coming from the south. So here you see the 12 portals and gates, you see the circuits of the wind, and you see how the Lord has treasuries where he pulls this and all sorts of stuff out of. These 12 gate portals are also the 12 tribe apostle constellation houses in the sky, and they connect to the 12 gates of the New Jerusalem. Each full moon pearl is a gate. Where have we seen this pattern before? About 3, with the middle being good, like the cross of Jesus, or Orion's belt, or the pyramid of Giza, or other stuff I've covered with this pattern. Also, those with the question, what about the 13th sign? There's this whole thread and pattern of the lucky/blessed number 13 becoming 12, because whether you're talking about the tribes of Israel or the apostles, or the months, there's this common theme of 1 being nixed out. So the lucky blessed 13 can come in and take its place amongst the 12. So if you're interested in who Ophiuchus is, the 13th sign, or what it has to do with you taking a new place in the heavenly order, check out my Orion video. Until next time, make sure you're discerning the wind. May the winds of blessing blow on you.